GoPro has signed a licensing partnership with Jabil, a manufacturing services company known for its electronics design, the action camera company announced today. Jabil will use GoPro's design and intellectual property to manufacture camera lenses and sensors for third-party products. GoPro and Jabil collaborated on the Hero 4 and have continued to work together since then. The products will include digital images and equipment for the consumer, but not cameras that compete directly with GoPro devices. Imagine a world in which video conferencing, robotics and even driverless cars work with GoPro camera lenses and image sensors. Together, GoPro and Jabil can make this a reality, said Sander Barna, Director of Technology of GoPro, in a statement. Jabil provides applications in smart homes, for the army or police, firefighters and security guards. The products that Jabil will manufacture will not have the GoPro brand, but will use the underlying GoPro technology. It is interesting that the GoPro technology will now be distributed among the range of products and services that Jabil has. The agreement comes when GoPro shares are at their lowest point, so it is not surprising to see the company explore new forms of diversification.